YouTube was good.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we outside right now. So yeah, finna act up a little bit for y'all, man. Just get a nice little, you know what I'm saying? YouTube was good, man. Kid outside, man. You know what I'm saying? Boy Tree just hit me up, right? So finna go tap in and see what the hell he talking about. He did. So yeah, as you can see, we outside right now. Yeah. Probably gonna be some little cool, you know what I'm saying? Some little cool type shit, you know? Cool type of day. We did. You know what I'm saying? So when I get to where I'm going, you did. When I get to where I'm going, I'm gonna get back with y'all. What's going on? So yeah, you did what's going on. So yeah, got the cars out right now. You know what I'm saying? Right now we just you know what I'm saying? Yeah, love them cars. Just outside right now though, man. You know what I'm saying? On the way to the little drop, man. Where we going, man? You know what I'm saying? You know these folk love these cars, man. This is how we do it, man. So yeah, that we're going right now. Just outside, you know what I'm saying? On the lovely day, man. You did. So yeah, man, ain't too much going on. We just popping it right now, you know what I'm saying? We about like 8 cars deep, you know what I'm saying? We got them SUV Tonka trucks and everything, you know what I'm saying? Man, you did what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Outside, man, got these guys out here, you did what I'm doing. Yes, sir, ski, you know what I'm saying? Got them out here, man, you digs? Let me work it off, man. You know what I'm saying? Got them, man. Outside right now, you know what I'm saying? Nothing but some of my favorites out here, you digs? So ski, man. And my boy J5 over there in the cut. You know what I'm saying? And my boy Tree right here, man. You dig? And that was the color I was originally gonna get right there too, boy. I was gonna put black stripes on it. Ooh wee, motherfucker look nicey. Yes, sirski. This look beautiful. Motherfucker beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Hey, though, I need y'all to let me know what's going, man. What y'all want to see, man. You know what I'm saying? Just outside right now, man. Having fun with shits. Digs. Yeah, man. Yeah. Good, pimp. Been alright? Yeah. I ain't got a drone. Oh, no, you ain't doing a drone. You go chill out. Light one. Yeah. A whole lot of young rich niggas, man. Little doggy. Little doggy. Damn. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. I got going on, man. You outside right now. You did. We go wide body for wide bodies, you know what I'm saying? We go cat scats, all that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? We go big Tonka trucks. You digs? Yeah, man. Just outside right now, man. You know, like ain't nothing to it for real. We just kicking this shit. Yeah, gotta go turn my car off. Yes, sir, ski. You know what I'm saying? Got to go do that one. You did. Yeah, we just outside, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what the move is. Turn that motherfucker out gangster, man. Nah, real. I'm already knowing. Too much going on though, man. We just outside right now. You know what I'm saying? Just popping it. On some cool shit real quick. Nothing too major. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We just outside, man, on some light shit, man. Got my boy Black right here, KC right here, you did. You know what I'm saying? We pulled up. Home still sleep, goddamn. Look at him. That's what he trying to go do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. He just outside, man. I know what he trying to go do, man. Look, he ain't even focused. He ain't even ready. Chill, man. Chill. Okay, so are you finna do that, right? Because that's what you said you wanted to do. You said that's what you wanted to do, though.
I did it. I already got my video.
All right, so you can't do it now?
Bruh, you see what I got on?
What that mean?
Compare this to what I had on.
You
like
see what we got on, bro?
You compare this to what I got. This is better. This one I ain't gonna wear to it.
He said this one I ain't gonna wear. Man, you good.
See, I'm gonna got no watch. I got a polo team little more.
Fuck that shit. I'm saying.
I would have said something.
See, I was at a video shoot and I had a show. That's why I had to pull. Yeah, that's why I had to pull.
Trying to help me on the video shoot.
You said what?
Video shoot.
What the hell you who got one?
My partner, his name is CJ. He started music.
Music?
Yeah.
Well, he
didn't start, but he been rapping, but now he take it like real serious. Yeah. He got a whole album on the first album.
Well, he just want supporters and shit?
Yeah, type shit. He got more part, but he got a challenge.
And you want my shit in the video? Oh.
Type shit.
Oh, just say that, man.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
He still focused on last night. Look at him. He can't even speak correctly. Cause I know when he seen that last night, he was like, "Hey, let me get behind you real quick." I know that was quick. I know that was quick right there.
What you talking about?
Your viral video. Yeah, I'm saying, but you ain't think about that though. You did that in seconds, didn't you?
His ass get caught up. But I got caught up yesterday.
Hey man, I just want to be like him, just live great life and ride bikes.
I caught up yesterday. That shit was horrible.
You know what I'm saying? Just outside. You know what I'm saying? Just outside, man, on some little regular shit, man. Nigga hungry though, I ain't gonna count to you. Feel me? Outside, man. Yes, Sirski. Sirski. Got this motherfucker turned up earlier, man. You know what I'm saying? We got this motherfucker packed out, man. You know what I'm saying? Just outside. This just type of shit we be doing, man. Got the big Tonka truck right there, man. You know what I'm saying? Big Tonka truck. You dig? The truck coming. Tonka truck. You know what I'm saying? Got the big Tonka truck. Hey, come on, that way, back in. Got nothing but them fat bitches out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Them fat bitches out here. Got one chair out here. You know what I'm saying? This shit get lovely. You know what I'm saying? This is what niggas be doing out here. You know what I'm saying? We just take over shit. Yeah, man. You digs? Got them bitches outside, man. Big Tonka truck. Huh? Back up some more. Yeah. Well, J5 got the big Tonka truck, man.
Titanic, by the way.
Yeah, Titanic. Yeah, Sirski. You know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers out here. Sirski, man. Type of shit we do, man. You know what I'm saying? Type of shit we just do, man. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know what the hell y'all want to see, though, man. You know what I'm saying? This shit global, man. This shit bigger than what you think, man. This shit way bigger than you. You know what I'm saying? Bigger than your whole booty. You know what I'm saying? My boy he said bigger than your whole. You know what I'm saying? Did not the little shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Just Sirski. You know what I'm saying? What type of shit we doing in Atlanta? What you say? Shit we be doing out here, man. You know what I'm saying? You know we got to pop this shit on a light day, on a bright day, on a night day, however you want to call this shit. You know we got to pop it. You know what I'm saying? Got to come outside, man. You know what I'm saying? This shit lovely, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, this motherfucker, you did. That's all we doing out here. Finna take over the city, man. Where y'all want to see us at next, man? Let us know, man. You know what I'm saying? This shit global, man. I'm telling y'all. New music on the way, like I've been said. You know what I'm saying? New jewelry on the way, new cars on the way, new spots on the way, everything on the way. You know what I'm saying? You did. If y'all ain't did this shit already, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, man. I need y'all to put it together. You know what I'm saying? It just started raining, man. They trying to, you know what I'm saying? Trying to stop what we got going on. But you know, you can't stop the biggest, man. You know what I'm saying? We still gonna be outside for a little bit. You did? Yeah, man. Just running around right now, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna go get some food first. You did? You did what's going on? That's what's going on right now, man. Mustang just tried to break the chain, man. Mopar, no car, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Sersky! Yeah, man. We just outside right now, bro. You did, boy. Good God. Hey, man, we just, as you can see, man, we just had to get underneath this right here, man. You know what I'm saying? It rained a little too hard, man. We couldn't do it. You know what I'm saying? We was on the way to get some food, but hey, man, not like this. Not like this. Good God. Woo!
I thought my glass was done for, boy.
Boy, what? Oh, God, I need to check my car the way that shit was just driving. Bro, you heard that shit? Y'all heard that shit? Oh, shit, boy, you do got straight glass, boy.
I thought my shit was done for, boy.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, Ranger like to took us out, boy. Good God. Ranger like to took us out. My boy out here got no hood. My boy go no hood. Talking about ooh-wee. No Sersky. Jeez Louise. Man, nigga, we just went through baby hell.
I don't know what the hell we just went through, bro, but I tell you, I thought a nigga was throwing trash out their car.
Nah, for real.
I'm like, bro, what the fuck throwing shit out their car? That shit just pissed me off, I ain't gonna lie.
Woo. That shit was just hitting the damn. Motherfucker right here hard, man. Any weather. Here you talking about. I see him. Okay, I see him. Hey, man. Boy, say, fuck it, I got one for the car. Damn, boy. This shit sounds serious. That motherfucker, man. Did what I wanted right here. I was gonna get it right here, man. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker. Yeah, man, we just outside though right now, man. Nigga just come tripping, man. Whole lot of wide bodies outside right now. You know what I'm saying? We go Tesla Wessler. You know what I'm saying? We go Camaro. You know what I'm saying? We go wide body. We go cat. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. It's just some normal shit what we do out here, you dig? Hey, man, we had to take a little break, though, man. God wanted to sit down for a second, so that's what it was. You know what I'm saying? He just wanted to calm down. He said we would come too hard, goddamn. He wanted to sit down real quick, bro. You know what I'm saying? Big body Tonka truck, you. You know what I'm saying? But that shit was just beating down the nigga car, man. For real. You know what I'm saying? Outside right now, man. Yeah, we'll be back in a minute. Figure out what the hell we doing. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be safe, man. I'm trying to drive in the rain. That shit is not easy. You know what I'm saying? You're not driving in the rain. That shit is not safe. But if you do, be safe. You know what I'm saying? My boy Black will tell you. Don't drive in the rain. Not at all.
How many times I got it?